Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC NSRT Mark III sound level meter data logger with Type 1 microphone. This sound level meter includes a Type 1 digital microphone, an accurate date and time clock, and a 128 megabyte recording memory with a fast USB download. The meter is specially designed for long-term and outdoor applications. Examples of use include sound level and acoustic dose measurement and recording, monitoring of safe working conditions, activity detection and logging, and long-term measurement and recording of acoustic levels for environmental impact studies. In the box, there is an address for you to download the Instrument Manager software. You must download this software before connecting your instrument to a computer. The required software, along with other optional software, can be found at this address. There's a USB cable, a base with screw holes, a backing plate with a thread to attach the unit to a tripod, and the IC NSRT Mark III sound level meter data logger with a Type 1 microphone, USB connector, operation and charge status LED lights, and a reset button. For more information on this meter, including a video demonstration on how to set up and get started, or for details on how you can contact an Instrument Choice scientist about this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!